Today we're looking at a 2016 Toyota Tundra SR5. Alright, it's a V8 5.7 liter four-wheel drive. It's got 38,000 miles on it. It is a CARFAX one owner, magnetic gray metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Alright, everything's in really good shape here. It does have the rear chrome bumper. There's a trailer plug-in and the tow hitch there. It is equipped with the rear view backup camera. Alright, it does have the bed liner back here as well. Everything back here is in good shape. Tailgate's in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks really good. Got the heated side mirrors on here too. Got the front chrome bumper with the fog lights. Really sharp looking truck, four-wheel drive, 38,000 miles on it. CARFAX one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, nice metallic trim through here. Power windows, power locks. Got your power mirrors over here. Adjustable headlights. It's got the power rear window as well. Alright, got the graphite gray, the titanium and black inserts, cloth seats. It is a power driver's seat. Alright, they are the captain's chairs with the big center console here. Plenty of storage in here. Let me go ahead and take that key out right quick. There we go. Alright, it does have two keyless entry key fobs. Alright, let me crawl in here real quick. Alright, passenger seat cloth's in great shape. Alright, it is an automatic. Okay. It does have the trailer brake output here. Let's see if I can turn the lights on here and kind of light that up. There we go. Alright, and it's a four-wheel drive as well. Okay, you got your climate control area here. Gonna have your touchscreen display and backup camera right here, and we'll show you that in a second. Alright, it does have the Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 38,930 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I can show you the display screen here. I'm gonna go over here to your apps. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, give you another shot of all this again, real quick while the lights are on it. It's your four-wheel drive there, and then your climate control area here. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Door panels look good back here. There's a ton of room back here. It's like the mega cab. Back seat cloth's in good shape, actually in really good shape. Does have the center console that comes down, the cup holders there. All right, got a power outlet here, USB outlet here. Carpet in the back's in great shape. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. Already showed you the bed of the truck, but go ahead and give you another shot as I walk around. Everything's in really good shape back here. Go ahead and give you a shot of the passenger side here. Seats do come up on both sides. Okay. Everything's in such good shape on this Tundra. It's a 16 with 38,000 miles on it. And it is in fantastic shape. Passenger front seat. Everything looks really good. Four-wheel drive. CARFAX one owner. Alright, does have the 18-inch styled 18-inch styled steel wheels. Okay. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, we got a 2016 Toyota Tundra SR5 All right, it is a 4-wheel drive, 38,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. It's got a CARFAX 1 owner, okay? Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.